secret to winning is persistence. You can literally fail your way to success. If you do something daily, it becomes instinctive. The more you do it, the more it becomes a natural reaction. Every movement, every shift in weight, every bump in the road resonates through your entire nervous system. After time, you learn to react without thinking. You learn to move your hands and your feet in perfect synchronization, reacting to all the changes, making the car an extension of your body, being completely connected. After weeks gone by, you can see your progression. Realize the control. Become more comfortable with your ability, more confident. And then the seasons change, as if it was almost just to keep us sharp, to keep us on our toes, to keep us guessing. And we keep moving. Summer provides us with warm weather here, making traction our biggest advantage, our best friend. Running sticky tires on clean streets, knowing that when you step on the brakes, your car will stop, knowing that you can make it around that corner at the suggested speed. We can go faster, and we become much more confident. But at the same time, maybe a little dull, a little less responsive. Taking traction for granted can get you into a lot of trouble. Autumn sets in the late months. The streets become colder, usually always wet. We have a lot of rain in this season. Leaves falling off trees. Puddles accumulating in places that you didn't see all summer. Although we still have traction, the tires touching the asphalt, the road now becomes unpredictable. Should a puddle hydroplane your tire, or some leaves provide a slick surface to make you lose traction. This is where we begin to focus on reaction times, making it instinctive to react to every movement of the car. Now we realize how important that can be. Days get shorter and the nights get colder. We begin to wake up to frost on the ground. The rubber compound of summer tires now becomes less effective. You can feel the loss of traction simply being on asphalt, accelerating too hard, braking harder, coming into corners. Autumn turns to winter, and that brings along the snow. This creates an environment of unpredictability with no forgiveness. In this climate, everything becomes a contributing factor in your drive. The temperature determines how much ice there's going to be, how much slush, how much water, what kind of traction you're going to find on your way, the wind speeds. Even if it's not snowing, the wind can blow the snow across the street, blinding you, making it very hazardous. Slush can form underneath your tires, hydroplane you, makes the roads greasy and slimy, reducing visibility with dirty windshields. When you lose control in these conditions, it becomes unpredictable where you might land. There's always a guardrail or a jersey wall. For every mile of road, there's 2 miles of ditches. These are the times we have to stay sharp, stay vigilant, really focus on what we're doing. For those of us with a passion to drive, these conditions don't slow us down. They present a challenge that we willingly accept. A challenge that motivates us, that moves us, pushes us to higher grounds. Although the speeds may be much slower, longer braking times, slower accelerations, and slower cornering, this becomes a time of true concentration, where you have to remain focused